Hi everybody, this is John Forrest from Concrete Design and Repair in Marietta, Georgia, and we are at the Marriott Courtyard by the new ballpark in Marietta, Georgia. So behind me you see we are finishing up putting a final seal on the Marriott pool deck. They originally presented with a very worn knockdown coating and required substantial repair, patchwork, and due to our recent training and certification with Shornox, we were able to come in here, remove the surface, properly prepare a patch, and put down a new spray texture overlay. And shortly I'm going to come out here with Miss Donique, who is the manager here at the Marriott, and she's going to talk to you a little bit about the work that we performed. Back here at the Courtyard Marriott by the ballpark pool deck, and I'm with the manager here, Miss Donique, and I asked her to make a few comments about the work we've done this week.
So CD&R has been on my property since Monday repairing our pool deck, and they have done an amazing job. The team here is very professional. They provide excellent service, and the quality of the work, of course, is what we value the most. I would recommend CD&R to anybody. And John is very friendly.
Thank you very much, Donique. I really appreciate your kind words. So what every contractor wants, a satisfied client and a good-looking pool deck. Thanks, Donique.